The most common question I get, we've been actively working with these wildfires the last couple of weeks, and some of the most common questions we get is it safe for me? What should I do? But with my structure, what are some environmental concerns I should have? And I think that everybody should understand the impact of this event in two parts. One, airborne, what is in the air. Two, what has settled onto surfaces. Most of the exposure hazard is really at the beginning of the fire when the fire is raging, you've got smoke, you've got wind blowing, you've got a lot of particulate that's outdoors. I would make sure that, if anybody's concerned about outdoor exposures to airborne, check the AQI index of the outdoors. That'll tell you what the particulate level is on the outdoors. But I think the first and primary thing that homeowners, building owners, property owners should address first, because if we can open Pandora's box about all the different contaminants that could be present from an event like this. But the first and primary thing I think that everybody should be really focused on is getting your properties back to a pre-loss condition, because what's going to happen, what you typically will see on an interior of a structure after an event like this is what's called combustion byproducts. Combustion byproducts are fine particulate that comes from wildfires, where these particulates get airborne, they get pushed through air currents, through wind, and they blow across buildings, and they enter the interior of structures through openings, through windows, doors, openings into your attic, the HVAC system. So what you might see when you go back in your home, if you haven't been there yet, is you're going to see black colored particulate along the window sills, along the door thresholds, along the floors. And those are I think, in my opinion, that's the first thing you want to address first, is getting your structure back to a pre-loss condition, getting rid of all those soot particles and particulates. And I think, and again, it's combustion byproducts is the name of the contaminant. There is a laboratory test that we do to check for that, and we're looking for three particular particulates: soot, char, and ash. These are the particulates, again, that are related to the wildfires that can infiltrate into the interior buildings, and that's what you want to get assessed and cleaned up first.